Hi everyone. Now let us see how to install Node.js in Windows 10. Launch the browser and open the nodejs.org en/download. Click on Windows installer to download. Save the file to local folder. Right click on downloaded MSI and install demo. Next video we will see about Node.js development. Now let's go to installation demo. Let me go to the browser and I already launched the nodejs.org/en/download. It has various download options. It is for Node.js for Windows, Node.js for macOS, source code, Node.js for other operating system like Linux and other things. Now we will see about installing Node.js for Windows. So just click the Windows installer. It will give you the file and save it. I am installing from Microsoft Edge browser. It scans all the downloaded MSI. Right now it is scanning this Node.js setup.exe. Once it's scanned, we will be able to go to view downloads and install the file. Okay, scanning is completed and downloading is finished. Let me open the folder. It opens the folder where the file got downloaded. This is the file got downloaded just now. I right click and install. It will launch the Node.js installer window where you can click next, accept the license, click next. It goes to by default C program files Node.js folder. If you want to change, you can change it. That's not a problem. But I will go with the default values. And it installs the Node.js, NPM package manager, online documentation for shortcuts, add the Node.js path into the path variable. And click next. When you check this, automatically installs the necessary tools actually, but that will take a lot of time. For this video we will skip that, and another video I will cover that as well. Click next and now click install. It will install all the files to the C program files Node.js. If it is asked for permission, click yes, and it will validate the installer first. That may take less than a minute. Once validation the installer is completed, it will generate the scripts and execute those scripts, installer scripts. Once installed, we will be able to see the folder called C program files Node.js. And there you will see nodejs.exe file. I will show you after the installation is complete. Basically, the installation speed based on your computer performance and your how are you running? Are you running from virtual machine or locally or like that? So in my computer, I think it will finish in 1 minute, in another 1 minute. Once it is finished, I can show you where it got installed. I can show you where to see the file in the programs and feature. It is a simple steps, but I am taking the Node.js tutorial, and we will begin with the installation and first program, uninstallation, and if some people don't want to work on the Node.js, if some people want to work, and we will give you detailed explanation for each and every feature of Node.js. As of now, I can explain one thing. Node.js is a server application where you can write the code using JavaScript. Now installation is completed. I will click finish. Let me go to the folder where it got installed. It got installed to C program files Node.js folder. Let me open that folder under this C drive. Going to C drive and open the program files, and there will be a Node.js folder where you can see all the necessary files and its modules. So node.exe. When you want to test, you got to launch this. We will see that in the next video. And another place you can check whether it is installed successfully or not. You can check that in the programs and feature. I normally launch the programs and feature using the shortcut avvis.cpl. When you click OK, it launches the programs and features of the Windows, where you can see the Node.js file application installed. It is installed here today, date 11/11/2019. Thank you for watching. And if you like the video, or if you need any other video, please add it in the comments. Please subscribe. Thank you.